My name is Lydia. I'm from New York. I came to spAm in 2011. I always thought that the shelters were a place where I would die if I go to a shelter and see the dogs, and so I never wanted to go. But I met somebody from spAm. I went to the spAm. I met the president, Sylvia, and I adopted the dog that needed the most of care and love and everything. The first thing I have in my head is a bunch of little dogs coming up to me and just, you know, they all wanted to be adopted. And there was one behind, and she turned around and she did something. I don't know what she did. And I took her home. She was skinny, really skinny. And she was my princess. From that moment on, I only live for this. Well, it's a foundation, Fundación Daina, and the Protectora Mataró, which has, right now, at this moment, we have 3 different shelters. In Badalona, in La Armella, in Mataró, and the office is here in Mataró, and also our own veterinary service downstairs. Yeah. I started working in Barcelona for the administration department, and I had contact with the members of the association and the sponsors. I started working in 2011. From home, I've started coming twice a week, 3 times a week in the train, and I finally said, what I'm doing here, I'm going to Mataró, and I work in Mataró. The veterinarians attend all the animals of the 3 centers, all the animals that have been picked up every day. I've cried so many times. You can't imagine. I mean, you see them die. You see them fight for trying to live, and then so you have to take the good things and the bad. This I've only learned to take it, being here every day. And there are moments where you think I go home, but no, I can't. Every day you have something. For instance, maybe a dog or a cat that they're in the shelter for 6 years, 7 years, and then a family comes, gets in love with them, and they adopt, and it's something wonderful. You can't be a volunteer for something if you don't really feel it. You have to feel that. You can't go one day and then forget about it. I love it. I love spAm. The one thing which is very important is that at my age, it's important to be surrounded by young people that make you feel like if you were younger.